I want to speak a little bit about this region, but I want to go back a little bit. I want to go back and share with you my vision of creation of the universe, because that will help you to understand what it means to be here in central Portugal and what means this region for the planet. And this vision of the creation of the universe brings us back to this question: why God? Let's use that word to make it simpler. Why God, that is perfect, needs to create a universe, to manifest a universe? Because from perfection, any movement from perfection means that you are no longer perfect. Any movement puts you outside of perfection. And God itself makes a huge movement. He creates the universe. So if God, it's supposedly is perfect, creates the universe, is because something is lacking to God. There is something that God needs that he does not have. And he needs to create that universe to search for that thing that he does not have. But the most mysterious thing is that in the universe that he creates, also that thing does not exist there. So there is something that God misses, but that something, it's also not present in the universe he created. And then God realizes that by diving its conscience into that universe and fuse himself with that universe, some sort of alchemy process happens that creates this new thing that we can now just name it spiritual gold. Let's name it for now like that. This spiritual gold, it's created from the moment that the conscience of God merges into the universe that he created. And some sort of sparkle of alchemy process happens that create this new thing that does not exist in God and that does not exist in the universe he created. And it's this new thing that God is searching for. This spiritual gold. We will see what is this spiritual gold.